After 27 years, Lifting Technologies in Missoula has grown to be one of the top names in man basket manufacturing. Owners Roy and Paul Johnson say that no matter how high demand gets, family always comes first.
We've created a reputation over the 27 years of being the leading man basket manufacturer in the United States, right here in Missoula.
My brother and I are the owners. His oldest son runs the powder coat department. My wife's the controller of the company. Everyone else is adopted.
A lot of people have asked me that through the years. They'll ask me about my business and my partner. I said, well, my brother's my partner. And anybody that's been in business and family businesses, a lot of times they'll kind of roll their eyes and say, well, how's that working for you? I said, well, working real good.
We're a very stable company, which is nice for an employee. You aren't having to worry about whether you're going to be laid off the next day. Most of the guys that have been working here have been here 15, 20 years.
Our customers through the years have been, what's been good for us has been big companies, very interested in safety. You're putting people 200 feet in the air, hanging from a single line on a crane. And they want every aspect of the exercise to be safe. And our basket fits that niche.
This is one of our stock models right here. The powder coating process on this is probably 2 days long. They probably can build this 50, 60 hours worth of production, work in the metal fabrication part of it, and another 5, 10 hours in powder coating it. And it's ready to ship out.
And we got going in the internet web business whenever, 15 years ago. And that opened up a whole new can of worms in terms of notoriety worldwide. And all that business in the Middle East, you know, there's a lot of it has to do with American companies going overseas. And they know that if they got to have man baskets, they can rely on getting that and then from us, and they don't have to, they know they're covered.
The quality of the workmanship, the whole package is turnkey. The customer gets the equipment, they're ready to go to work. There's no assembly, there's nothing else required to receive the equipment, put it to work.
It's a great work environment. Everyone's very proud of the work we put out. As you can see, they're a very clean, sharp-looking product. We have a great reputation in the industry.
There's a lot of manufacturers of different tools, and I just like to think we're the top of the line in this one.
Our employees and the work they do, for sure, is what's established us in the market with the quality of our equipment, the workmanship, the service, everything about what we do is the best thing we have going.
Small business continuity is pretty important, I think. I've got employees been with me for 27 years.
All our employees are most of them Montana natives.
I guess that's what it's a big family. We worry about everybody just like they're our kids.
Quality of life here and all the other things that go with living in Montana, there was never any idea or thought to moving the company.
We never moved to Kansas City to be in the center of the market. We stayed here, and it's not a problem.
In terms of getting up in the morning and having fun, you just can't beat a family business as long as everybody gets along fine and interacts well.
So that's why we're in Missoula. We like it here. We're Grizz fans.
Visit Lifting Technologies' website at lifttech.com for more information about the Missoula man basket manufacturers.